Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't put out a video literally in almost a year. It doesn't matter because I'm here, and yeah. So today my review is on the Nike Jacquemus Air Force Ones in the Earth colorway. I ended up getting a 6 in these, and let's just kind of unbox them. So the box is similar to the Air Humera ones that I got. They're all pink. Very simple box. It just says Jacquemus, has the Jacquemus take on a Nike Air logo, and yeah. This is a shoe that we're working with. I'm just only gonna have one out because there's not any different variations on the other shoe. I love this shoe. I mean, first of all, the color looks really good with what I'm wearing on. I actually could put these on right now and look fine. But I love this shoe, and the shoe was so slept on. Like, I actually was looking at reviews for this colorway and I didn't see any. So, which is kind of shocking. So I will start by saying, disclaimer, you have to size down. My white ones I sized down a half size. These ones I sized down a whole size. And they literally fit perfect, like with sock and everything. Yeah. So let's get into the colorway of the shoe. So it's very simple. It's just brown, like a chocolate brown. The brown is similar to the Yeezy boot brown. So we have brown in here, and our sole is white. It has yellow on it too. It's white and yellow. And we have the Jacquemus check. And then our other colors to play are yellow right here. Colorway is very simple. It's literally just 3 colors. But for me, it's really the architecture of this shoe. This sole is so comfortable. It kind of almost feels like you can like bend it up and stuff. You actually can, but this shoe is so comfortable. Like, let's also get into the make of the shoe. So this shoe is kind of made of a lot of material. Like, it's like woven material right here around the toe box area, like by the sole, and then our upper and our toe box actually is like mesh, and then we have suede. To me, those are really the only textures of the shoe. We have suede, and we have this woven material, and we have mesh. Very straightforward. We have brown laces. As always, Jacquemus put their own take on the tips of the laces, which I really love. They're not the normal ones. I love how they kind of just play with the shaping and the size of the Nike check. Love that. It's hot. God. Yeah, the mesh. What I like about the mesh is that it feels like, well, because I have the white ones, I'm sorry, I keep saying that, but because it's mesh, I don't know if those ones are mesh. Those ones are all leather, actually. So this is mesh. This gives me the vibe that if I'm wearing these, if I'm running, if I'm out, there will be a lot of air flowing in and out my shoe so my foot won't get sweaty. Yeah. The back of our shoe just says Jacquemus is engraved, and it's like a dark brown with a Nike check. It's very lightweight too. Like I said, it's very durable. And I feel like it could be worn as an everyday shoe, and it's just so cute and dainty. Like, let's put the shoe on our foot and see how it looks.
What are you doing? You saying your prayers?
I tried the shoes on. Sorry, the camera angle might be a little different because I had to move it around when I was getting the on the foot look. But yeah, I really do love these shoes. I don't know why I have a habit of always raising my leg up, but I 100% recommend these shoes. If you are like on the fence about the color, because it is very a distinctive colorway, like it's brown and like yellow and white, but it's really brown, then I would say get the white ones. But I think that the Jacquemus Air Force One collab is like really nice, and it's really cool to see like what they're doing with it, and like the colorways and the play on colors, and just like the rollout of it. Like, they had Shakari, I'm pretty sure that's her name, I think I'm saying it right. Having another black woman that's doing something, the face of these Jacquemus shoes, it just says a lot. So for me, honestly, that was a selling point for me too, besides the fact that they're hella comfortable. So I really don't want to give ratings anymore because I'm not gonna rate a shoe. I'm really just gonna say you should get it or you shouldn't, and I definitely think this is a shoe that you should get. It's a nice piece to have in your collection, and it just kind of it meshes like high brand, like it's like high-end fashion and like a sneaker. It's not too much, but it's not too little. So yeah, I would say go get this shoe. It's on my Nike website. Honestly, it hasn't sold as much as I thought it was gonna sell, so y'all should definitely go and get it before they do sell out, because you know people might hop on the wave. Maybe they'll see my video and be like, oh, I should get them. But they are only $175, like $190 with tax, and I I think you should get them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this review. I really hope that this review was like helpful, because like I said, I haven't seen a lot of reviews about this colorway. So I hope this is helpful in your journey of you going and getting the shoe. And just let me know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm back. And yeah, thanks so much.